Hi, this is Chandler Daggett with MarineMax in Lake of the Ozarks, and today we're looking at this 2007 Rinker Captiva 296. Starting here at the transom of the boat, this seat layout, actually pull a pin here and there, and the whole thing lays out to make a sun pad. I have demonstrated that in the pictures. The boat does have shore power. Your battery switch is here, nice trash can there. Nice U-shaped seating for plenty of your friends and family. You do have a refrigerator and a little wet bar sink. The boat has 328 hours, windlass anchor, Linco tabs, nice head, big bow area, a deep bow too. If you're looking for an affordable 30-foot boat for Lake of the Ozarks, give us a call at 573-480-4549. Again, this is Chandler with MarineMax in Lake of the Ozarks, 573-480-4549. Come check this boat out.